In English, you say he eats, she eats, he drinks, she drinks, he sleeps, she sleeps. But in Arabic, we do something different. We don't always need to say he or she first. The verb already tells you. And once you understand this, Arabic becomes much easier. In this lesson, you will learn how Arabic shows he and she inside the verb itself, step by step with very simple examples. Let's start with one simple idea in Arabic. We change the beginning of the verb to show who is doing the action. So in this lesson, don't focus on the whole word first. Focus on the beginning, because the beginning tells you a lot. And very important, all the examples in this lesson are in the present tense. That means things happening now or things someone usually does. Let's take the verb eat, أكل. How do we make it for he? And how can we tell who is doing the action from the verb itself? When we add ba and ya to the beginning of the verb, it shows that he is doing the action. So ba wa ya usually gives you the feeling of he, and ba plus ta usually gives you the feeling of she. So when you hear ba and ya, think maybe this is he. And when you hear ba wa ta, think maybe this is she. Let's use the verb eat. For he, we say بياكل. بياكل. We add ba and ta to the verb. Ba wea. And for she, we say بتاكل. بتاكل. Listen again. هو he بياكل. بياكل. And she بتاكل. تاكل. What changed? Not the whole verb, only the beginning. بياكل and تاكل. So now you can already see the pattern. با ويا با ويا he and ba وتا she. Again, بياكل. بياكل. Just try to feel the sound. بياكل. بتاكل. Now let's take another verb. Drink. The verb شرب. هي بتشرب. For she با وتا. هي بتشرب. And for he, هو بيشرب. با ويا. با وتا. Again, بيشرب. بتشرب. Same idea, the action changed, but the pattern stayed the same. That is very important. Arabic is not random here. It follows pattern. بيشرب. بيشرب. بتشرب. بتشرب. Let's take the verb بتحب. هي she بتحب ha, not ha. Don't say ha. بتحب. She loves. هي بتحب با وتا. Now هو بيحب. هو بيحب با ويا. Again. هو بيحب and هي بتحب. Another verb. نام the verb. هي بتنام. هي بتنام. Listen carefully. هو بينام. هو بينام. هي بتنام. Say it. بتنام. هو بينام. Different actions, same beginning pattern. That is the point of the lesson. Now let's compare English and Arabic. In English you say he eats, she eats. You put the person first, he and she. In Arabic, you don't always need separate he or she because the verb already shows it. So again, ba, ta, she, and ba, waya, he. That's why Arabic feels different. English adds separate word. Arabic changes the verb itself. If you want the easiest rule possible, here it is. Ba waya, think he. When you hear ba wata, think she. This will help you understand spoken Arabic much faster. Now, one important note. Sometimes ba wata can also mean you. So context is important, but for today I want you to focus on the main idea first. Ba waya he and ba wata she. We will talk about you in another lesson. Let's do one final review. بيلعب. بيلعب با ويا. Is this he or she? He. And بيروح با ويا. He. And بتفهم. بتفهم با وتا. She. هي بتفهم عربي. She understands Arabic. Test yourself. Try to solve them yourself and write the answers in the comments.